Hello! Welcome to Editing Skills for Clear Writing. In this course, you'll learn how to write and edit clearly and concisely so that your readers can understand your point from the moment they look at the page. My name is Amy, and I'm a seasoned copy editor and publication designer with over a decade of experience making good writing easy to read. I work with clients in the education, publishing, food writing, and training fields, and am a published cookbook author myself. I designed this quick overview of the finer points of clear writing based on clarity issues I see all the time among my clients. 3 sections tackle subject-verb agreement, lack of descriptiveness, and wordiness. Subtopics include pronoun misusage, passive voice, redundant phrases, too many text features, idioms, filler words, and overly long paragraphs. Each lesson includes several examples with opportunities for you to fix errors and is followed by a quiz for you to sharpen what you've learned. If you struggle to get your ideas in writing across clearly, are an aspiring copy editor who needs some targeted training on paring down wordy sentences, or you're a student, a blogger, or even a new author looking to fine-tune your paragraphs, this course is for you. I encourage you to check out the course description and preview videos before enrolling in the course. And then join me to get a handle on writing that is crisp, clear, and concise, and doesn't ask readers to scratch their head and wonder, is it me or the author? The skills you'll pick up in this course will clear away any confusion and make yours or your client's writing easy to understand and enjoyable as a result. See you in there.